Ngrave Zero Wallet app. The pros, the cons. In the world of crypto security, few devices have made as bold a claim as the Ngrave Zero Wallet, often called the world's most secure hardware wallet. But does it really live up to that title? Let's explore the pros and cons of the Ngrave Zero Wallet app and device. Let's start with the pros. The Ngrave Zero is a completely offline or gapped hardware wallet, meaning it never connects to the internet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or US. That eliminates most attack vectors hackers rely on. You won't believe what happens next. Even firmware updates are done via QR codes, not cables. The device itself is built like a fortress. It uses IL-certified security, the highest certification level in the entire hardware industry. That's the same standard used in high-level government encryption tools. Combined with biometric security and a fingerprint scanner, your private keys are truly protected at every level. Another major advantage is its companion app, Ngrave Liquid. The app helps you view your portfolio, track assets, and verify transactions, all without ever exposing your private keys. Every action uses QR code communication, keeping the Zero completely offline. Ngrave also includes a stainless steel backup solution called Graphene. It's a fireproof, waterproof way to store your recovery phrase, making it nearly impossible to destroy or lose. Now, the cons. The first one is price. The Ngrave Zero costs significantly more than most hardware wallets, often over. It's a serious investment meant for those holding large crypto amounts. Another con is usability. Because it's fully air-gapped, transactions take more steps. Adding QR codes back and forth is extremely secure but can feel slow compared to wallets like Ledger or Trezor. Lastly, while the device supports major blockchains, support for some newer tokens or DeFi protocols may lag behind. In short, the Ngrave Zero wallet is built for people who refuse to compromise on security. It's not the most convenient, but it's one of the safest ways to protect your crypto from both online and physical threats. If peace of mind matters more than speed, Ngrave Zero is the ultimate vault for digital wealth.